The dual console segment is crowded. Everybody claims to deliver fishing capability and family comfort and offshore range. Most can't actually do all three. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. Today we're doing a full technical breakdown of the Pursuit DC326, specs, performance, layout, and how it stacks up against the field. The DC326 comes standard with twin Yamaha F300 V6 outboards with optional F350s pushing top speed to 55.1 miles per hour. Cruise at 4,000 RPM runs 34.4 miles per hour. The 300-gallon fuel capacity delivers approximately 297 nautical miles of range at cruise, enough for bimini runs, Keys weekends, or multi-stop island itineraries without fuel anxiety. The hull is 20-degree deadrise, hand-laminated with vinyl ester resin, and the 5-ply resin-infused composite transom handles following seas the way most lighter competitors cannot. At 34 feet, 6 inches overall, this boat is sized for a single operator. The integrated fiberglass hardtop with a full-height tempered glass windshield is not a T-top replacement. It's a genuine weather enclosure with 60mm Strataglass side curtains that extend your season by 60 days. The cockpit is the DC326's calling card, port side wraparound lounge that converts between forward and aft-facing seating, starboard entertainment center with a 12-volt refrigerator sink and cutting board. The bow lounge is generous for a 34-foot boat. Standard bow thruster and optional Yamaha Helm Master EX joystick make single-handed docking realistic at 12,900 pounds. Below deck, the port console converts to a berth with rod storage for 4 and a hanging locker. The starboard console is a fully enclosed head, vacuum flush toilet, Corian countertop, 10-gallon holding tank. These are functional spaces with dual-action doors and stainless latches, not hollow fiberglass shells. The hull side door is a genuine differentiator. It eliminates the transom boarding climb and makes docking at restaurants or fuel docks significantly faster. Motorized sunshade, Lenco auto retract trim tabs, and a 5-year structural warranty that transfers at resale. The engineering matches the asking price in ways you'll notice in year 3, not just at the boat show. Against the Grady White Freedom 325, Boston Whaler 320, Vantage, Cobia 320, DC, Sailfish 325 DC, and Nautic Star 32 XS, the DC326 separates on 3 dimensions: integrated hardtop weather protection, hull construction quality, and that hull side door. Similar layouts in this class exist. What doesn't exist is this level of systems integration and build quality at this price point. Bottom line, the DC326 is the dual console that doesn't force you to choose between fishing capability, family comfort, and offshore range. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. See you on the next one.